In this video, let me show you how to cancel an order in Shopee. First, go to your order and press buy after selecting your preferred color and quantity. Once you've placed your order, head over to My Purchases and tap on to Pay section. If the order is already marked as to receive or beyond, your chances of canceling are lower, so it's best to cancel as early as possible. Open the order details for the item you want to cancel. In the bottom left corner, you will see the cancel order option. Tap on it, select your reason for canceling, like no longer wanting to buy, and then press confirm. Take note if the cancellation request is made after the seller has arranged the shipment or the order has a tracking number. The seller may need to approve the cancellation, and if the order is in transit, you might need to request a manual cancellation directly from the seller. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.